Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CGG. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section, which is a URL section there, type down CGG and enter it after you're done. And you have to click on this option, which is the CGG official home website. And here we could see we just landed to the CGG official homepage, and in the top right corner there is a login option over here. Click on that, and in order to log in here we could see, and we need to scroll a bit down over here and click on this option that is says login under the CGG engage. And in order to sign in, you are required with your username as well as your password. Type down your username and your password. If you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you can click on this option that says forgot password in order to recover it. And after that, click on the sign in option, and then you'll be successfully logged into your CGG account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.